amazing people. How you are doing? My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. Yes. Welcome to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos, to watch my reaction videos, my vlogs, my live lessons, and all the videos. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for all those things you do for me. I really appreciate you. And if today's your first time of seeing this video, or peradventure you're not subscribed to this channel, why? Please join the family. And for those that have joined the family that have not welcomed you, please take this as a welcome hug. You are all welcome. So today I just stopped by to throw light on an issue, a speculation that I've seen. I've seen it once, I've seen it twice. I didn't want to talk about it before, but I said no. I'm not addressing this issue because of this particular person or because of this particular set of people, but I'm addressing it so that we can avoid it going forward. It's my own talking. If you like, take it. If you like, don't take it. So I'm going to explain how the matter concerns me first, and then I'll conclude it. So sometimes there are some people, they are comfortable with when you are on a particular stage, or if you're doing something and you're not getting results, they are comfortable with it, and they are everywhere. They are in our offices, they are at home, they are in our families, they are on YouTube, they are everywhere. So for me personally, this is the gist. It's a gist, it's a story. Let's just talk about it and believe that this is the last time I'm going to talk about it. But if I need to talk about it again, I will still talk about it. And not just because I want to look for trouble. It's not my thing. I know they find trouble, and I don't intend to respond based on that. I'm responding based on love and based on to change the orientation and change the mentality of the person towards this particular subject matter. So it happens that in January, a young lady in the person of Tega passed on. Tega is a young lady in her early 30s. She belongs to a group called the Gratitude in a church in Abuja, Koza precisely. So she passed on, and she's not somebody I know personally, like one-on-one, no. The only thing I know about Tega is that she belongs to the Gratitude, and she loves singing. As a matter of fact, I love her in the Gratitude because she stands out. She's tall. If you look at me, I'm a tall girl. Yes, I'm a tall girl. In case you don't know, I'm blessed like that. So Tega is tall. She's dark, and I just love her because when you see the Gratitude, you cannot miss Tega. And I love the fact that she sings. I love her personality. So in January, I saw it in the news that she passed on. Ow, wetin happen? Kilo shele. And because she was a popular face and she goes to a very popular church, in Abuja, a lot of people started talking about it. I saw people doing videos, and the videos I saw about Tega were negative videos. I saw a video where somebody was bashing her, that it was her fault that she died. I saw a video where people were attacking the pastor, that the pastor knows about it because somebody came out to say something. And I said, so I saw this particular video. Tega belongs to a group called the Gratitude. Our group, they reacted to the comment and speculation going on around the internet. They came out, they did like a 10-12 minute video to explain what happened. And when I saw that video, I was really happy. I didn't see that video on YouTube. I didn't see anybody. The other videos I was seeing were people just talking about negative. So as a content creator that I am, I took that video, I reacted to it, and share it on my community, on my YouTube community. At least let people in the community get to see it. Even though a lot of people don't know her as a person. Some people got to know Tega for the first time on my platform. Some people even were asking me who she be. They don't know her. So on YouTube, I started YouTube for passion. And after a while, I realized that there's money to be made in YouTube. I started adjusting. I started learning the ropes and troops of how to also make money in YouTube. So beyond just putting out videos for the money, is that I know that the video will be a blessing to somebody. On my channel, I do motivations, I do inspirations talk, we do live lessons, I do live streaming where we bring topics, we talk about them. I do lots of worship because I'm passionate about God. I do every good stuff that can help humanity to thrive. That's what I do on this channel. And on this channel, I celebrate people a lot, even though I also talk about the dead. Personally, I like to look at somebody that has passed on to glory and look at a lesson that we can learn from the person. First of all, lessons that I can learn from the person. And if I feel that it is worth sharing with the world, I'll share it on my platform. Tega's story passing on is not the first dead story that I will do on my channel. I've done for somebody I know. I've done for people that I don't know. For instance, I did for Nomti Odukoya. Even though I don't know Pastor Nomti personally, I just knew her by attending their church for weekly services and watching her on internet, watching her program. Somebody even told me that they got to know about Pastor Nomti. Mega shout out to Esther's Inspiration. She said she got to know about Pastor Nomti on my channel, and afterwards she has been watching Pastor Nomti's videos. So coming back to the Tega story, when I took the video from the gratitude, I did a reaction to it and I put it out. Like every of my video, every video that a YouTube content creator puts out, you put out that video in the light of, okay, maybe this is my breakthrough, maybe not, but you keep just putting out videos. If you get view, you thank God, and if you don't get view, it shouldn't stop you from doing what you're going to do the next time. And as God will have it, with Tega's story, I had view beyond my imagination. I had views on that channel, beyond on that video, beyond my imagination. And I did a follow-up story on her. I even did another one. I did live lessons. I was checking, okay, this girl died at so early. What happened? How? So I did those videos, not knowing that the video was affecting some people, was affecting somebody. I didn't know. The video was affecting somebody. What did I do wrong in that video? The only thing I did wrong was the fact that the video had view. And the person said I was cashing out. Oh, I wish I cashed out with Tega's video. I wish I really cashed out the way you're saying. I would have come to supercharge you so that maybe you can drink water and keep cup down. You dey do kitty kitty, you dey do kata kata for waiting just because I gave you. If I not gave you for that video, I don't think it would have affected you this much because you kept hammering on the view. You were more concerned on the view, And I saw yours. I saw your comments that you dropped. I saw your comments and I knew, I want to believe that you were not talking to me. Tega's story, big YouTubers did videos. Obodo Ibo did video about Tega. Keeping It Real with George did video about Keda. So many other people did videos but nobody was bringing out the impact of a short life. Nobody was bringing out the God factor in her life. Nobody was bringing out the beauty. And that was what I wanted to project. And I thank God that I had the opportunity to do that because I felt good about myself after doing those videos. And I still go back to watch those videos and even reply to comments. Oh, wow, I wish I cashed out. Because for you, it was all about the views. You just can't get panic attack. And for all of you that were having panic attack, it was all about the view. You did not see the live lessons I brought out from my life. How that won't concern you? And you claim that you are Tega's friend. Somebody is your friend. You couldn't even do one tribute to her on your channel and put it on your head and say, hey, make una come, she be my friend. You couldn't do one tribute. You were so in a hurry to forget her. I know a lot of people that they celebrate dead every day. They mourn for 3 months. It was the same thing I was saying about the gratitude. Why were you in a hurry to forget about her? Why? You know what? Let me shock you. You know, I did the video, not one, not two, about Tega. One of Tega's sister in America, she commended me. Say, Esther, thank you for the love. Thank you for doing these stories about Tega. She doesn't know me. If anybody should have angry, I think the blood sister should have been angry. But you know what? She took out her time to watch those videos and saw that it was not to degrade Tega, but it was rather to bring out the beauty and tell somebody out there that it doesn't matter how long you live. What matters is the impact you left behind. Tega has gone to the great beyond, but people are still talking about her. I still watch those videos. I still listen to her song. As a matter of fact, I was glued to the gratitude because of Tega. And this is YouTube. You don't have the temerity to tell anybody what they should do on their channel. I don't have the right to tell you what to do in your channel. And I'm putting this out there. For those people, when people are having little views, you are happy. But when you see that one of their video go viral, that's when you start saying things like, oh, they are buying view. Oh, it's because they have a godmother. Oh, it's because she spoke about the dead. Oh, it's because she was baiting. But the days that the person was having 20 views, 30 views, and the person, nobody said the person don't blow. Just because the person had just a breakthrough. Just small. Just small. What if Tega's video was a video that will push me? Oh, girl, you forgot to report the video. Maybe you even report the video because the bitterness at which you speak about those videos sometimes, I wonder, what did I do? What did I do? Where did I go wrong here? Tega's story is like every other story. When people die, you take up their life. On my channel, if it's that I do videos only about the dead or negativity, it's a different thing. On this channel, I celebrate people a lot. Big YouTubers, mamas in the Lord, people that I don't know, I celebrate them. I live for celebration. I'm a joyful person. I like everybody to be joyful. I just want us to be moving. Why are you just seeing only the negative parts in that video? Baby girl or people, why are you trying to make people to see that I did something wrong with that video? When TB Joshua died, people were doing videos about him. People do videos about dead people and living people. There are some channels that are dedicated to the dead. There's a page I know on YouTube, on Facebook. All they do on that page is about dead bodies and ghosts. Dead bodies and ghosts. Why can't you just see the lessons? You couldn't commend my effort. You tried to rubbish it. Why? Why? I'm putting it out to you. And for those that started thinking in that direction, saying things like, oh, it's not good to do a video with the dead body. You don't know this story. When TB Joshua died, people no talk. Either good or bad. When Babangida died, people no talk. Either good or bad. People will always do stories. And I put it to you, if you so claim that you love Tega, you couldn't do a tribute. The only thing that people could hear from you from knowing Tega is to degrade what I did about her. Whereby Tega's auntie in America, Tega's senior sister in America, saw that video and commend me. Why? Please stop having panic attack when you see people having views. Stop it. Because I don't wish you bad. I don't wish anybody bad. And I don't want to even believe that you are wishing me bad. You are just saying your mind, which is okay. But I'm putting it to you that I did not do that video because I wanted to cash out. I wished I really cash out. And I will cash out some days on my channel. Watch out. Just watch this space. I will cash out. So my people, if you have watched me to this extent, I just decided to tell this story because it's my own story. It could be something else. It might be something that doesn't have to do with YouTube. When people are doing well, celebrate them. If you cannot celebrate them, just keep quiet. Don't start seeing negativity. Don't start trying to canvas people. Oh, no, you don't need that. Yesterday was, I don't know when you will see this video, but we're celebrating womanhood. If we're celebrating womanhood, we should put womanhood forward no matter what, especially if the person has not done anything wrong, because I do not see anything that I've done wrong. So if you have listened to me to this extent, thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel that I did bad by talking about Tega, especially if you have watched those videos, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have not watched this video, please check out those videos and come and tell me what I did that was wrong. Stop having panic attack when people start making success. Stop it. I wish you well. and know that I love you. It's not this, what I'm saying is not from a place of hate, but I just thought I should put it out there because there might be so many people that think just like you, and we just need to correct that. So thank you all. My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV, and if you have been watching this gorgeousness, this is my hair. Now God give me, I know still am. I know some people will just wish that the hair is not there, but there's nothing you can do about it. Who God has blessed, no man can curse. And if God bless you, I no go jealous you. I go celebrate with you. I go happy for you. So I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. It's your girl, Esther. Esther's Chronicles. Yes. Half Swiss, half Niger. Peace out.